Hey Green Thumbs, I'm Lucy from the Jungle Nook and here's my little sprouts and they're going to help me today make some little pots for seedlings out of toilet roll. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Let's do it. This is what you do. You fold one end like this, just a little bit. This is just to show us where we're going to cut. So we're just folding it a little bit that way and then we fold it the other way as well. What we're going to do next is do a little cut about 2 centimetres on each of those folds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're just going to fold these in. Okay, there's our cool little toilet roll planters that are biodegradable, ready to pop in the garden. So now you know how to make them, now you're good to grow.
Good to grow.
Can you
Good
say?
to grow.